This is the bottom of the hill. Found a nice little spot. Blackberries down here. Got this whole mountainside right here. Rocky right here and set up. Nice little picnic spot. She likes the water. Might hunt down there too. Time for more exploring. Look at this. Old refrigerator. Old tractor. Oh, it's a shooting range. No way. Look at that old tractor. That's crazy. This is sick. Some bowling pins. Bro. A secret shooting range. This is awesome. It's trashed, but hey, who cares? I mean, obviously I care, but still, look at all the bullets. This has been here forever. Yeah, I'm coming back here. Tell all the homies to come back here too. This is my backyard. Come on, Luna. Come on. There you go. Good girl. How you gonna do it? Jump over. Good job, Smart. Come on. Good job. All right, go ahead. Let's see you do it. Cross. You're cheating. Go. You want me to go first? All right, go first. Here, your turn. You're such a cheater. You crazy. You cleared that last time. That's what I wanted to see you do. Come over here. Good girl. Good job, fast girl. All right, we're gonna go up that thing. It is super steep. It doesn't look steep at all on the camera, but here we fucking go. I'll see how long this hill is that we came down. But I'm gonna be tired and sweaty once I'm done. So Maybe I might tie Luna up on this leash. Have her pull me up. Just kidding. All right. Here we go. Luna. Luna. Excuse me. Come here. Luna, come here. Come here. Excuse me. Hello. Sit down. Hey. All right, let's go. We made it. Still working on this girl. When she knows we're close, all she wants to do is get home. And we're here, walking up to the side of the house. All right, I'll be back, and I'll see you guys next time.